Are you a planning or present startup, small or medium scale business or organization, and you are faced with this challenge?
Yes, so K, one of what I would want you to do as my customer care agent will be that every possible visitor that comes to my website for inquiry, you don't just convert them to a lead, but a very likely customer by guiding them to book an online meeting with me in terms of the particular product they would be interested in getting. Now, I need to ask you, what is your minimum salary expectation for this role? Thank you.
Oh my God! As a startup, where will I get that kind of money from? I need someone or a solution that can achieve this business need at the most minimum possible cost. What if you also face this challenge as a business owner or manager? Yo, John.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, please, I have a very important task for you.
Okay.
Anybody that is coming to see me, whether online or offline, I need you to book an online appointment with me as from tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Tomorrow, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Did you get that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. What the? Oh my goodness. I told John to fix it for tomorrow 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and he fixed it for today 11 p.m. What is this? Oh my goodness. I am Patrick, your AI tutor and trainer, and I am glad to introduce NewOaks AI Customer Agent Solution, which was created to meet and exceed your needs for customer management and conversion success. This course is specially created to walk you through in a detailed step-by-step manner how this 247 incredibly affordable, even with a free option AI customer agent solution, will benefit your startup, medium scale venture, and even beyond. The course is made up of 3 sections where we practically look at its awesome features such as signing up, free and very affordable price plans, creating and training your smart AI assistant with your website or business documents that can handle tasks like personalized communication and answering of questions, capturing leads, scheduling appointments, and custom live chat, social media and CRM integration, SMS, and even voice chat and phone calls 247. You get to achieve all this and more with up to over 100 times less the price of human customer care agents and 4 times better operational efficiency, learning and using this amazing AI solution. Let's get started.